There is an easier way to do edit RIZZ. Yes, I mean, you do not have to use OBS, Streamlabs. It's just one simple Chrome extension. And that Chrome extension is called AI Video Effects. So all y'all want to do is go on the Chrome web store. Y'all want to look up AI Video Effects. And once y'all look up AI Video Effects, it should be the first one to pop up, which is this one. I already have it installed, so all y'all want to do is install it, and I'm finna just show y'all how to work with it. So what y'all want to do is, once y'all have it installed, y'all want to go into OmeTV. Once y'all are on OmeTV, all y'all have to do is click on the Chrome extension that's right here. Click on it, turn on the effects. If y'all do not want the color background, all y'all have to do is turn this to none. But this is me showing y'all how to edit RIZZ. So what I'm gonna do is, instead, I'm going to, you want to scroll down to where it say overlay screen, and what you're going to do is that future LAPSYY here. I forgot to show the part where you drag the video onto the screen. All you want to do after you click on overlay screen, where you're going to say video, is going to have a plus. Click that plus, go into your files, add that video, and you're done. Make sure once you imported that video, make sure you have that specific video selected, so every time you click and turn on overlay screen, the edit RIZZ will pop up. All you want to do is, the second that you turn overlay screen on, you make sure you want to do your hand movement. I know y'all can't really see me right now, but for example, if I just turn this on, the edit RIZZ is going to start. Boom. As y'all can see, the edit RIZZ is starting. Y'all know this edit RIZZ is on my channel. This is my Christmas turbulence RIZZ. As soon as the edit RIZZ done, all you gotta do is turn it off, and y'all can just make sure y'all hand is on the camera, turn it off, and pull it back. So I'm gonna do it, for example, right here, like that, and it was pretty smooth. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So if y'all want any tips for that, in my opinion, I know y'all couldn't really see me because I had the Chrome extension up. I was trying to show y'all how it looked from your POV, but from their POV, they won't be able to see all the extra stuff. As y'all can see, there is no watermark. But the main tip that I want for y'all, since y'all are going to be doing a lot of clicking, like clicking back and forth, make sure y'all are doing a movement where you can have your hand on your keyboard and you can press voice mod, a keybind that you set on your voice mod. And if y'all don't know how to set up voice mod, watch my previous edit RIZZ tutorial. I showed an in-depth guide on how to set up voice mod and set up how to connect your camera to OmeTV. It's a great tutorial. Make sure y'all watch it. It's almost at 100k views, so gas it up. But if y'all want to do something a lot smooth, I would say like do a movement where you like lean forward. I know y'all seen a few of my edit RIZZ where I like lean forward and like the camera change, and then it could be showing like the teddy bear is where I have this teddy bear. I'm gonna pop it up on screen if y'all don't know what I'm talking about, but if y'all do, kudos to y'all. Where the camera changed to the bottom, where it can be a lot smoother, and so it's not like a hand movement. But yeah, just try to do a movement where you're not needing another hand, because you will have to press to change the video and to start the audio for the video. Do not do a movement where you need one hand, because you'll either be able to play the audio or you'll be able to play the video with no audio. And also, I know some of y'all are having trouble about getting banned from OmeTV. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to release another edit RIZZ tutorial video after this video, probably like next week, and it's going to be the OBS tutorial version, and I'm going to show you how to avoid getting banned. But I will leave the link to not get banned in the description. Let me know if this plugin worked and if it's successful, y'all. I want to hear back from y'all. I know I haven't been responding to edit RIZZ, and it's because it's been getting crazy, flooded with hundreds of DMs. Let's not go into the Discord how crazy that. Shout out to AI Video Fix for hitting me up, and this is one of the best alternatives to doing edit RIZZ other than OBS. Let me know if this Chrome extension was very helpful for y'all, for those who are struggling with the OBS edit RIZZ. I will still make a full OBS edit RIZZ tutorial. Don't worry, it's coming out soon. I will be coming back with my own edit RIZZ. As y'all can see, I changed the setup. So also, y'all notice I cut my hair. I grew out my sides right here, so it's not just the top of my head. I grew out my back, and I grew out a little bit of my sides right here. But yeah, my name is LAPSYY. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.